Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Academic Outreach for Kids. In today's video, we are focusing on three-way inequalities. For our first example, we have 4x minus 2 is greater than 34. Using the algebraic method, we can simply move this 2 over to this side to become positive 2. So we can rewrite this as 4x is greater than 34 plus 2. We can add the 34 and 2 to make 36. So this becomes 4x is greater than 36. Since we're multiplying x by 4 to get 36, we have to do the inverse operation, which is divide. We can divide each side by 1 to get x greater than 9. That is the first form of notation, inequality notation. For our second form of notation, we have interval notation. To write this, let's put down 2 parentheses and a comma. Since x has to be greater than 9, we can start with 9 as a first number. And then since x can be any number greater than 9, all we have to do is write an infinity symbol. For our third form of notation, we are graphing the inequality. We can simply make an open circle, put 9 in the middle of the number line, and draw a line leading to the right, which shows us every number greater than 9. For our second example, we have 7 multiplied by 6x minus 1 is less than or equal to 70. Let's first start off with the distributive property. 7 multiplied by 6x is 42x. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. So we can write this as 42x minus 7 is less than or equal to 70. Since we're subtracting 7, we have to do the inverse operation, which is adding 7. So we can simply write this as 42x is less than or equal to 70. 7. Now, since we're multiplying 42 by x to get 77, we have to divide. We can put 77 over 42, since that's just another way of writing 77 divided by 42. So we can write x is less than equal to 77 over 42. That's the first way of writing it down. For the second way, we are doing interval notation. Let's put a parentheses and a bracket, since this is a complex inequality. We can put the comma in the middle, and then we can simply write an infinity symbol with an arrow pointing to the right, or an negative infinity, then a 77 over 42. To write this down, we can simply put 77 over 42. Then we simply put a closed circle, since this is a compound inequality, and an arrow going to the left, which represents all the numbers less than 77 over 42 that x can be equal to. For our final example, we have -3 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 2. Since we already have inequality notation, we must now transfer this to interval notation. See, this is the fairly simple one. We can simply put a parentheses here, -3, comma, 2, and then a bracket, since this section is a complex inequality. In order to graph this, let's first put 0, 1, 2, 3, and I'm not going to draw the rest of the lines, but we can draw -1, -2, -3, etc. We can simply put an open circle for the simple inequality, put a parentheses, draw a line, and put a closed circle next to where the compound inequality is with a bracket. That is all for today, everyone. Thank you for watching so much, and best of luck. Make sure to like and subscribe.